Hello, today we're just going to have a look at our maths where we are adding fractions. Okay, in this particular example, we are adding fractions where the denominator, the number on the bottom of the fraction, is different. Now, what a lot of people do and make a mistake, if we, for example, look at the first ones here, where we're adding 1/2 and 1/4. The common mistake is people that go 1 and 1 equals 2, 2 and 4 equals 6. Problem is, that is wrong. Okay, so let's see why that's wrong. Let's look at the example. Now, because we're adding 1/2 and 1/4, we've taken the 4 on the bottom of 1/4, the denominator, and we've drawn then a box of 4 parts. And we've done that 3 times. We've got a box with 4 for the half, a box with 4 for the quarter, and we got a box then for the answer. Okay, so what we're doing then is we shade 1/4, one part of 4 for the quarter. When we look at a half, well, our half, of course, is actually the same as 2/4. Okay, we can count that. We've got 1/4 here, okay, and we've got another quarter there. So we've actually got 2/4 here. Okay, so in total, when we'd add it up, we would actually have then 1, 2, 3/4. Okay. So let's have a look at the other ones on the page. Let's make a little bit of space here. Right, so we've got 1/3 and 1/6. So we take the 6 here. So I'm just going to highlight rather than write over it, my fault. Right, so we've got 1/6 here. So as we've got 6 parts here, 1/6 is there. Okay, if I change my highlighter color. Okay, now 1/3. Now, 1/3, if we divide this block here up into 3 parts, 1/3 is this much. Well, how many 6 is that? Well, that is 2/6. So we've now got 1/6 and 2/6. And if we now add them together, we can say 2 add 1 is 3. And of course, the 6 at the bottom, we don't add them. We keep it as 6, right? We only add the top numbers. So we would have an answer here, 3, 6. We'll do another example then on this side. Come back to our highlighter moment. There we are. Go back to yellow. Okay, we've got now over this side, we've got 5, 6 and 1/12. So over here, we've drawn out then a box with 12 parts for the 12ths. 1/12. There we are. Let us shade 1/12. Change my color to green. Okay, 5, 6. Well, if we look here, if we divide down, this is 1/6. This is 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6. Of course, the 6/6 would be this one. Now, if we now add up how many 12ths we've got, so we've actually got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 12ths. So we've already worked out our answer, but let's just then do this in a little more detail. So how many 12ths are shaded in green? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we've actually got here 10 12ths added to the original 1/12 in green, which gives us 11 12ths. Okay, right, have a go at the sheet, see how you do. Okay, enjoy.